Welcome to How to Literally, where it's simple, smart, and scam-free. Today, we're looking at 6 no-cost alternatives to Microsoft Office that can help you save big and stay productive. Google Workspace is great for collaboration and cloud-based work. It's free and easy to use, but you might miss some advanced features from Office apps. LibreOffice is a full office suite with Writer, Calc, and Impress. It's a classic free option, but can feel a bit clunky and not as polished as some alternatives. OnlyOffice is web-based and works well for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. It's compatible with Microsoft formats, and the free version covers a lot of ground. WPS gives you writers, spreadsheets, and presentation with a clean interface, and it's free with ads. It's solid, but the advanced features are limited. Zoho Office Suite provides a cloud-based office experience with tools for writing, spreadsheets, and presentations. The free version has great functionality but comes with some restrictions. Calligra Suite is free and open source, great for basic word processing and spreadsheet work, but it's not as user-friendly as other options. If collaboration and simplicity are key for you, Google Workspace is a great option. For something close to Microsoft Office without the price, LibreOffice fits the bill. If you want a well-rounded online suite, OnlyOffice and Zoho are solid cloud-based choices. If you don't mind ads, WPS Office works well for basic tasks. All of these tools have their strengths, whether you need cloud-based collaboration, basic features, or compatibility with Office files. Each option can help you cut your costs while keeping you productive. That's the breakdown, simple, smart, and scam-free. This is How to Literally. Catch you in the next one.